Hey, my name's James Anthony Phoenix. I'm a software engineering instructor at General Assembly, and I teach a range of different courses, mainly on the front end and software engineering side, but also on the data science side as well. And I've been teaching with General Assembly for 5.5 years. So I'm an O'Reilly author. I authored a book last year in 2024 for prompt engineering for generative AI. And I also do a lot of work with clients building LM-based applications. I love working with clients, and also, as well as that, doing teaching. I find that balance works really well for me. I think that GA is different in the fact that they offer a practical guided learning journey. When you're finishing a course, you'll often end up with skills that you can apply in industry. As well as that, there's also really good support with GA. So amongst the alumni, you can talk with people, and also the instructors are always on hand to help. So AI is changing a lot when it comes to software engineering. For myself, I'm not writing most of my code. About 80% of that is made with AI. And I'm also finding that a lot of software engineers are becoming more editorial and aren't necessarily getting too concerned with the lower level details of implementation. Having said that, for someone who's learning coding and getting into the field, it's really important that you don't start with AI, as when you become a mid or a senior engineer, you'll often find that by learning coding without using AI, you'll often be able to see what's right and wrong. So some of the trends are, for example, vibe coding, which is mainly doing prompt engineering software development. As well as that, we're also finding that AI coding assistants are coding more across a range of different coding editors, such as GitHub Copilot and Cursor and Windsurf. The key trends here are that the amount of code that's going to be generated from software engineers is going to go up significantly. My favorite part of the role is the fact that I get to help students grow. I'd love for you to join my next software engineering course. If you're looking to break into tech or advance your career, this program is for you.